Alright everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'll have to work on an intro because I don't have one. But anyways, tonight we're cooking lemon pepper chicken, and I'm going to make it, that's the recipe that I found online that I'm following, but then I'm just going to make it with asparagus and just some microwaved rice. We're being a little lazy with that. But anyways, let's get started. I'll show you what we have. So we're just going to have 1/3 cup of flour, tablespoon of lemon pepper seasoning, some oil for the chicken, lemon pepper for the sauce, the rice, the asparagus, 4 thin chicken breasts, some butter for the sauce as well, and then that's just the oil. Also, I'm very sick, so ignore my voice, it's gonna crack a lot. So what we're gonna do is just put, you're gonna mix the flour with the lemon pepper and some salt. I'm using Himalayan pink salt. It's so pretty. Just a little bit. And then you just want to mix that a little bit together. And then you're just going to want to pour it on a plate so that you can coat the chicken with it. I'm going to start heating my pan up before I forget. Which one is the front? Alright, so I'm just going to heat up my pan, put the oil in, and let that heat up on medium heat. And then we're going to open our chicken. Put the chicken in the flour. Oh my god, my voice. Told you I'm just falling asleep. So you just want to coat both sides evenly in the flour, and then actually I'm going to get another plate just to put it on until the pan heats up. So, I get a bunch of dirty dishes. Once your chicken is all coated, we're going to put it in the pan because the pan will be heated by now. And spill oil. Oh, this is a lot of oil. Shit. And spill oil all over the stove. And now it says to cook it 5 to 6 minutes per side or until done. So, you know, however you want to time that or until that your chicken is done. And yes, I'm doing another chicken recipe. Surprising. So we're just going to let that cook. So I'm just seeing, you know, it's starting to cook on the edges, so I'm just going to flip it over now. They're very hard to flip over. Alright, so the chicken's pretty much done, both sides. I flipped it over a couple times just to check and make sure. So once it's done, you just want to take it off the heat. So I'm just going to put it on the plate. And then what we're going to do is use the same pan just to make a sauce to go on it. It's just going to be this lemon juice. It's 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and then 2 tablespoons of butter. We don't have exactly 2 tablespoons, so I'm just going to use all the butter that we have in here. This is also why we're not making the asparagus anymore, because we don't have butter to cook it, but that's okay. Alright, come closer, cameraman. Alright, so this looks pretty good. The butter's melted. It's all incorporated together. And then all you're going to do is just pour it over the chicken. You just want to pour it over the chicken. And then, that's it. I guess we're going to make the rice. Alright, so we're just going to take the, there's little parts to grab it, so grab it there. Sponsor me. Ow. And that's it, guys. So I'm gonna try a little bit of it. Turn your knife. Okay, well, it is very good. That sauce is amazing. I thought it was weird, just butter and lemon, but it's amazing. I would say maybe a little more lemon pepper, just in my opinion, but it's very good. So, that's it for today, guys. Once again, leave me any comments for the recipe or any comments for the next recipe that I should do or any other videos that you think I should do. Again, I got this recipe from Pinterest. I think the website was Dinner at the Zoo. I will link it in the description box below, don't worry. And I'll see you guys next video, next week. We're gonna, I lost my train of thought. Well, shit. Put me on the something something and call me Sally. What's that saying? A little bit. Oh, should I make this my thumbnail? Ready? What? Why are you still recording? I thought I'm just cooking.